how are we all doing? So this is something completely different today. This is just completely spontaneous, and it just so happens that I am in full work mode at the moment. I am in my full work gear. I am actually still technically at work, but I happen to be travelling right by Thorpe Park and I haven't had my lunch yet. So I'm going to do an hour in Thorpe Park and see how much you can actually get done in a lunch break. So yeah, I've started the timer from as soon as I basically parked up, and we're going to see exactly how much we can do in an hour. It's fairly busy because it is half term, and yeah, we're just going to see what we can do. You know, if I get on one coaster, that's a good lunch break. So yeah, there's not going to be loads of like footage of coasters and stuff because I just haven't got time. I need to get on at least one, maybe two if we can push it. So let's see what we can do. So the game effects thing is on at the moment, so I'm going to check that out, but first I have to get on a coaster. Swarm is showing a 25-minute queue, so yeah, if I was going to do any, it would be that, as it is my favourite ride on the park. So yeah, let's go do Swarm on my lunch break. So it looks like Containment will be returning again this year, which is good, because I liked that one last year. It was like an escape experience, and yeah, it's something they can definitely build on this year. So that is by far one of them things you're going to tell the grandkids when you're older, that you had the best lunch break ever by going on the Swarm at Thorpe Park. That was, yeah, that's brilliant. It's just made my work day. And like anything else, yes, that's him. Yeah, some people, eh? Never mind, he'll grow up one day. There's so many games here. Callum would love this. They've got Lego, everything. They've got classics like Halo, which was an absolute, yeah, beast of a game that I spent many hours on. It's crazy, crazy. I could stay here all day and play stuff, but I haven't got time. Oh, Retro Sonic. So I've got the upcharge, the VR in the middle, which I believe is £5 a go for like 10 minutes or something. But yeah, I haven't got time for that, but possibly might be something I would give a go. So yeah, that gaming thing, that's pretty cool. That's yeah, if you had a bit of time to kill, that'd be cool to, you know, relive your childhood and play some retro games and the new games. They've got like Fortnite and Minecraft and all that good stuff of the kids that today like to play. Walking Dead's just opened. It's a 10-minute queue, so I'm going to hit that up, and then I think that will be my hour up. As it's a lunch break, I will have to technically grab some food, otherwise it doesn't count, does it? So I'm going to grab some food on the way out, and that technically completes it as an hour's lunch break. So let's head over to the Walking Dead. So that ends the hour-long lunch break, and it was by far the best lunch break I have ever had. I love the Walking Dead ride. I think it's a really good one. It's one of my favourites. It's something I come on every time I come to Thorpe, and yeah, it's one I'm going to keep coming on, and I think they should keep it, and it was a good investment for them to change it to that. So that is the end of the lunch break. Yeah, so to answer the question, what can you do in your lunch hour at Thorpe Park? 2 coasters when it's busy. So yeah, Swarm and The Walking Dead, which was, yeah, really surprising, really amazing. And yeah, this is going to be a really short vlog, but yeah, you get the point. The whole point of it was just to see what we could get done in such a short amount of time on a flying visit, and I'm very pleased. So now it's time to go back to work, but thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.